The WPdx Status Prediction Analysis tool is a powerful tool that predicts the functionality and maintenance needs of water points. The Status Prediction Analysis tool enables organizations to prioritize interventions, allocate resources effectively, and identify trends for strategic planning. In this video, we'll show you how to view predictions for individual water points and analyze administrative-level water point trends using the beta version of the Status Prediction Analysis tool. To begin, navigate to the WPdx Rural Decision Support Tools at tools.waterpointdata.org. From the drop-down menu at the top, select Status Prediction Analysis Beta. For this tutorial, we will examine predicted risk along the southern coast of Nigeria. To focus on this region, click and drag the map to the southern coast of Nigeria. Let's explore predictions for individual water points. To select individual water points, first deselect Show Administrative Regions to make it easier to view the points on the map. Water points are categorized as newly functional, functional, maintenance recommended, non-functional, or newly non-functional. Points labeled newly functional or newly non-functional are predicted to have changed status between their most recent report date and today. Points labeled maintenance recommended are predicted to change status within the next 2 years. Each category provides insights into the water point's functionality, maintenance needs, and potential interventions required. These predictions can help governments and NGOs take proactive measures to address water point issues before the water point becomes completely inactive. By clicking on any water point, you can view more details, including the current and future functionality predictions. For example, this water point is labeled as Maintenance Recommended in yellow, meaning that its status will change within the next 2 years. Today, it's predicted to be newly non-functional, and in the next 2 years, it's predicted to become functional. Next, we will examine the status prediction analysis at the administrative level. First, toggle on Show Administrative Regions. You can switch the level of analysis using the bar at the top of the screen. Administrative Level 0 will show you the overall country profile, and Administrative Level 2 will show you the most granular data for Nigeria. For this demonstration, we'll look at Administrative Level 2. The Status Prediction Analysis assigns a predicted risk index score to each region, ranging from stable to high risk, with darker red shapes indicating higher risk. Users can also toggle Show Region Titles depending on their preference. Users can click on any of the administrative regions to view more information. A side panel will appear, providing details such as the total number of water points categorized as functional, non-functional, and status unknown. Additionally, you'll find information on the total population and rural population with and without access to water. The Predicted Risk Index assists governments and NGOs in directing interventions towards communities with the highest risk index. The risk index is calculated as the ratio of total high-risk points over the total water points in the region. In this example, there are 20 points which have been identified as likely to be newly non-functional, meaning that the model is predicting a change in status from the last known report date included in the water point record. The risk index is calculated by dividing the total number of high-risk points, which again is 20, by the total number of points in the administrative area, which is 47. This results in a risk index score of 43. The Status Prediction Analysis tool can be used to highlight areas which may need additional resource allocation for preventative maintenance and/or increased monitoring efforts to sustain existing services. The tool remains in beta status as we continue to work with our partner, DataRobot, on testing and improving the tool. We will share updates on the tool on the WPdx news site at this link, www.waterpointdata.org/news. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to WPdx at info@waterpointdata.org.